2023 392 Challenger Scat pack. It's only got 48 miles on it, guys. He brought it from the dealer right to us. He's like, you were my first stop. And we really appreciate that. As you guys can see, everything's practically still brand new on this car. So let me show you what we've done on it, guys. Factory converter, factory X pipe. Then we put two Carven R's right there. R30s, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Carven R's right there. A set of those sexy beasts. Then valves, they stayed in place right there. Then we did a rear delete there and there, 3-inch. And then we installed two Natami tips. Part number is right there. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys, right there. Natami's staggered, just to give it that clean, awesome look, black tips. Really nice, just a sexy car. It is the shakedown version. Right there. This is the last call on them, right? Yeah, it's the last call, so we're gonna miss them, but it's okay. There's the mids, and there's the rears we took off right there and there. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And it is the 6-speed. Much better. Here's the idle on it, guys. Right at 85. Here's sound decibels. Right at 150. Boss. Perfect? Sounds better in person, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. We can't rev it too much, guys. It's only got 48 miles on it. It needs a break-in period. So, huh? Yeah. I love it. Where's the next place it's going?
Window 10.
Window 10. That's what I thought, too.
Get the reflectors black now.
Yeah.
We're ready.
It's ready to go after that. Beautiful, man. Look at that. Sucks they're taking them away. Ah. That sounds really nice. Clean and nice. He needed that. It was way too quiet before. Guys here on the inside. Such a good looking car. I like how they did that. Look at that. See that? Shaker hood. I like how they did the stripes around it. That's cool. It is definitely different. That sounds so good. Beast mode. Enjoy.
Hi guys, 2021 Challenger. He had 40s on it when he came in and a rear delete, and we put Super 10s in its place. Make it a little bit louder. You have your factory converter manifold there, factory converter and manifolds up there. Down factory X pipe all the way into the Super 10s, right there. Added two sleeves to make it connect, and then we went back factory to the back and factory tips too. And out the back factory, looks like we didn't do anything to it. There you guys go. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
A lot different, yeah.
Yeah, Super 10 opens it up a lot more. Sound decibels? Yeah, 105 there. Yeah, the rev limiters. Yeah, no, they're extremely annoying sometimes.
I'll punch it down the road so we can get a good gap.
Oh yeah. It's clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. 2021 Dodge Challenger. The Super 10s in the mid. He had 40s on it. We took them off and rear delete.
All right, guys, we got a 2016 Scatty 6.4 liter Challenger all the way from Knoxville, 3 hours away. We appreciate them coming down. So what we got done on this black beast? Factory converter, factory X-Pipe. Then we put Dynomax race bullets, 24-250s right there. Part number 24-250. There'll be a link in the description for them, as you guys can see. Then we also did a valve delete there and there, because he wanted as loud as possible with a nice deep tone. So you always want to take the valves out if you can, but you got to get a tune done afterwards. So, or you buy these. They're made by a company that mimics that the valves are on there, right there, as you guys can see it. I'll get you guys a link in the description for it also. We did a rear delete there, and put some Natami quad tips out the back, black there and there, to complete the black murdered look. Came out really nice, mid-devil. I like it. And there's the valves that were on it that we cut off right there. And I don't know where the rest of the mufflers. Oh, there's the mufflers over there. And the resonators are somewhere. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, what one?
Subscribe.
Thank you. Stop. Oh, it's so much better. What do you think? Your sound decibels? 111. That sounds so good. Can we get a thumbs up? You guys like it? All right. Yeah.
I had it all cleaned up, but I hit rain on the way over here, so I don't know.
Tennessee for you.
Yeah, I know.
5 minutes like this, then 10 minutes rain, then snow. Then,
I didn't get too dirty.
yeah, it's not bad. It still looks good. Sounds phenomenal. It's a good looking car, guys. I like the accents. Nothing crazy. It's just clean. Beautiful. Yeah, look, even that far away, it's still said loud environment. That means it's a good sounding car. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's so funny. Challenger, dyno bullets, mids, rear delete, quad tips, All the way from Knoxville, Tennessee. My devil. That's what the license plate says. I like it. See ya. He's bringing back the Hellcat next, so. There she goes. Oh yeah, that sounds phenomenal. All right, guys, 2023 all the way from West Virginia. 2023 Challenger 392 Scat Pack. It's still shiny, it's still new. Look at this thing, it's beautiful. So he drove all the way down from West Virginia. He wanted it as loud as possible. So we told him we'll hook him up. So it's got factory converters there and there. Then he said, cut it all off, run it in 2 1/4, make it as loud as possible, piss off my neighbors. I said, we got you. So we're about to piss off the neighbors. We took the X pipe, we took the whole complete system off and ran true duals, straight pipe, 2 1/4, all the way back on each side. Then the valves, we just zip tied them away because he's gonna order a Z Automotive. We'll have a link in the description for the Z Automotive exhaust valve simulators. They plug in right into where these are supposed to. But for right now, we just zip tied them away on each side, as you guys can see there and there, just so the car thinks that it's still got them on there. And then the 2 1/4 continues out the back. Then we ran 2 1/2 to fit the 3-inch tips, Natama tips to complete the look. The quad tips, there and there. Came out really clean, really nice. Look at that. Fits so much better. I always love the quad tips better than the Challenger design tips. They look so much cleaner. But there's the original exhaust system. So there's the 2 mufflers, there's the 2 tips, there's the mids, the valves were right there in the middle, and the X pipe. So we took that whole system off, out with the old and with the new. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go, guys. Go ahead. Look at his face. Just make Is that loud enough? Yeah. Guys, get it? It's a 6. My watch is screaming. Environment. There we go. So something about these Challengers, guys, if the parking brake is down, it won't let you rev over 2,000 RPM. But if you take the parking brake off, especially the stick shift, it makes you rev it as high as you need. Look at the sound decibels on this, guys. Go ahead. 123. Oh my God. Again. Hey man, it's scaring you. What are you doing?
I wasn't expecting it to be that loud.
You wanted it loud.
I wanted it loud, yes.
So you weren't expecting it that loud.
No.
And now that you got it that loud,
It's different on video than it is on...
in person, yeah. Because 123 is like almost like a jet.
Yeah.
You hear it, it shakes. Imagine
It
that.
shakes you.
Now you know why I tell you I can barely hear anymore.
Yeah.
Guys, if you want to send me stuff, send me your earplugs. Something that will work. It sounds so good though. It's so perfect that it's a 6-speed manual. I love that. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. guys. Hopefully he'll give us a nice send-off. 6-speed manual, only got 3,000 miles on it. Wow, it's so loud. It's perfect. Enjoy, guys. That sounds so good. Beast mode. There she goes. Oh yeah, that sounds phenomenal. Wow, it's so loud. It's perfect. Enjoy.